brothers that we getting on. I need my money on long. I got fired, then I turn to a boss. Do what I want, give a fuck about the law. Everything major, I feel like young dog. I do this shit for my motherfucking dogs. On the way to the top of the stars.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? How y'all feeling? It's your boy Spiritual Homie Cash, man. First thing first, I want to start off and stand on business. Cause goddamn, it's some hating ass niggas. I'm gonna be authentic too. So, you know what I'm saying? If you feel as though you don't like my content, or if you feel as though you don't like what I'm saying or how I'm saying it, you can simply click off the video. It's all authentic, all real. Everything I do here is through experience. This is my journey. This is y'all journey. If y'all are along with me, coming along with me, man, this is all through experience. So if you're hating, if you're doing whatever you're doing, you simply need to get away. Like, just keep that shit to yourself, because there's no negative, no bad energy coming on this channel. For real. I want y'all to keep that in mind. No bad energy. We not spreading that on this channel. So, you know what I'm saying? I really, really appreciate y'all if y'all coming on the channel spreading love. You feel me? Coming along, you know what I'm saying, on this journey with me. If you are, go ahead, subscribe to my Patreon. Show some love on there. It's down in the description below, man. But, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to start off the video like that, man, because it's a lot of hate, you know what I'm saying? But I simply just don't care. I don't care about the hate. That's why I'm just letting y'all know. Like, I'm gonna sit there and comment back and say, God bless you, because that's what needs to happen. But topic of this video, man, fasting. And this is all through my experience. Once again, if y'all haven't already, go check out the synchronicity video I did recently. In that video, I was fasting, you know what I'm saying? And that's when I really started feeling vibes and stuff. But I extended out that fast out to 48 hours. And within those 48 hours, even afterwards, within those 48 hours, I start seeing synchronicities and, you know, different types of just crazy spiritual stuff, for real, I say. But yeah, man, it's in my eyes, it's something like all a mind thing. You know what I'm saying? Call me crazy. I feel like it's a spiritual thing, and my guides are like, you know what I'm saying, guiding me to where I gotta go. Bro, birds, it's mostly birds and numbers. It's mostly, for me, it's birds and numbers. Not too long ago, when I first started the journey, I found like a feather just randomly while I was walking. You know what I'm saying? That's when I first started like walking and, you know what I'm saying, going on my little walks, like nature walks. I found a feather just randomly, but I've come to find out it was from my spirit guides, or it was from the universe, just, you know what I'm saying, just letting me know like I'm straight, I'm on the right path. But that's beside the point. Birds, they within that fast, birds, like it's like they was cool with me. Like, they was the homies. Like, I could be walking, look, my guy, I could be walking, you know what I'm saying, walking on the sidewalk or something, and I'm just looking at the bird like these. Like, what's good, homie? Like, he right, like, he just, you know what I'm saying? Like, they cool. Like, they, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know, bro, you know, if, you know what I'm saying, somebody coming out the house, bad energy, however they feeling, they just coming out the house all grumpy, all mad, you know what I'm saying? They coming out the house, you know what I'm saying, gotta go to work or something. You know a bird gonna fly their ass over. You know that bird gonna fly fast as shit, my guy. For real. But, you know what I'm saying, it's like, I'm not, this not no ego boost, no nothing, cause you could do it yourself. You just gotta have that vibration. bro, literally, I'll walk outside, it'll be a bird just fly up close to me. Bro, it could be it could be anywhere. Like, the birds are just cool with me. Bro, yesterday, and like I said already, if you haven't subscribed to my Patreon, bro, on the Patreon video, I'll let y'all know, bro. Like, it was a bird. Bro, this bird, bro, was on the stop sign, just chilling, bro, just vibing, like, and just gonna look at me like I'm, like, what, nigga just stared at me. But, that's besides the point or whatever. 11, I start seeing 1111, you know what I'm saying, angel numbers, you know what I'm saying, everything just around that time, and I start just intuition, my intuitive thoughts, just everything just start coming to me, just spiritually wise, like, just like on my gifts, man. We all got gifts in this life, man. All you gotta do is just work within, y'all. Work within, man. You gotta work within to be able to, you know what I'm saying, change your outer appearance, change the 3D world, man. But yes, to fast, man. Fasting, man, you can do 48 hours like I did. You can do 72. I want to push to that, 72 hours. But you can definitely do less than that. You can do 16 to 8. So 16 hours without eating and then 8 hours to eat. Or you can just do 1 meal a day. You know what I'm saying? 2 meal a day. Space it out. You know what I'm saying, bro? But just, you know what I'm saying? Just chill down on the food. You know what I'm saying? If you know you overeating, if you know you know what I'm saying, got bad habits with food, with certain types of food or anything, just, you know what I'm saying, just chill on it. Just chill on the food for now. Just drink water, cleanse your system. You know what I'm saying? If you got any energy drinks or, you know what I'm saying, anything that got vitamins in it or protein, anything, bro, that'll help you cleanse your system or anything, bro, just help your body, help your mind, bro, use it, man. But, you know what I'm saying? This is all what this is about. Just trying to cleanse yourself and, you know what I'm saying, so you can see things differently. You know what I'm saying? Definitely see things differently, because that'll help. It'll help, man. Help me in a big way, man. Help me in a big way. And I'm going to continue to do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to continue to do it, and that's going to help. You feel me? That's going to continue to help. So, you know what I'm saying? Every week or so, really every week, every week, I'm going to do 2 days every week, you know what I'm saying, without eating anything. Just a cool little fast. I've been trying to get into water fasting, but I don't know how that's going to work. But, you know what I'm saying, we'll try that, dry fasting. But, you know what I'm saying, we'll see how that go. Y'all definitely stay hydrated, though. Definitely stay hydrated. I love y'all. Comment down below. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Tap that like button. And I'm out.